From seaweed to handcrafted soaps and skincare, one small company on the Pembrokeshire coast is exploring the health benefits of seaweeds in their natural skincare range. Abby, the product and services manager at Really Wild, was making one of their signature soap bars when I joined her in their soap kitchen.
Well, today we're going to be making our Really Wild carbon copy detox facial bar using sustainably hand-picked seaweed in our seaweed formulation.
Before soap making begins, Abby prepares the moulds.
So I am setting up the soap moulds. One batch will make about 48 soap, not about mass production here. So here we have our very secret recipe. So all of our shampoo bars have this extract in, and some of our soaps, including this one. Seaweed is really good for hydrating the skin, but yeah, just fills your skin with loads of different nutrients and vitamins, so that's why we love putting it in our soaps and our shampoos. We use it as our base in this soap. I'm about to mix the sodium hydroxide with the seaweed extract. That's going to make a chemical reaction happen which will really heat up the lye. So the idea is we want to cool down the lye once it's heated. And then we've got our soap base here. So our soap base is made out of lots of different natural oils. They're all plant-based. So in this one we've got lavender, which is a scent that everyone loves. Tea tree goes in this one because it's a detox bar. Tea tree typically is known for its natural antiseptic properties. And in this one we're going to put some activated charcoal. So this is our activated charcoal. So in a moment I'm going to add the lye mixture, our extract as well, into our soap base, and then I'm going to mix it up with a hand mixer until it saponifies or starts to saponify. Mixing those two ingredients.
The soap mixture is then poured into the moulds that were prepared earlier, and Abby then puts the soaps to bed.
So we want the soaps to cool down but not too quickly over the next 24-48 hours. Enough for us to take them out of the moulds and cut them, and then they'll take about 5 weeks or more to fully cure before we can sell them. Okay, so it's just over 24 hours later, so the soaps will hopefully have hardened enough to demould. That is one very big bar of soap. We're going to cut the carbon copy into lots of different soaps using this machine which is made out of guitar strings. And then they will go onto the drying racks for 5 weeks. This is the batch we've just unmoulded. This batch up here of the same soap are almost ready, they're a lot harder. And then we've got some over here that have had their edges scraped, and they're totally ready to go and be packaged and sold. So this is the finished product. We sell them in round aluminium tins, but we also have them in recyclable paper packets as well if you want a refill.
What we put on our skin and use in the bathroom ends up in our waterways and ultimately in the ocean. In the words of Jane Goodall, just act locally and see what a difference you can make. Using a natural seaweed-based soap could be your first step.